Next. Young man, what's your name?
Agidiba the market man.
Agidigba the market man. From where?
From where you put me now? From
Which state? Which state? I'm seeing two Agidigba.
check Agidiba from Imo State.
Oh, Agidigba from Imo State.
Uh-huh.
Do they buy anything when you like?
Wonderful. No. Import. I dey import. I dey export. That is my duty.
Okay, you import anything you like and export anything you like.
Wonderful.
But from your record, you buy anything you like and sell anything you like.
I still do that one too.
You
as
buy
a side hustle.
You buy stolen goods and also sell stolen goods.
Stolen goods.
And from what I'm seeing, you stole from people and sell to that same people. Now you thief person goat when be white, paint am to black, send give the same person when get the goat.
I don't know what you dey talk about. Maybe na Agidiba from Lagos with that.
You stole somebody's phone. You stole an iPhone that has 2 cameras. Change the color. Add 1 camera to the iPhone to make it 3 and sell to the same person you stole from.
I don't know what you are talking about. Maybe you are having a mistake there. Check it well again. Agidiba the market man. Look at my face. Just look at my face.
Young man, watch this thing.
Hey! Let me just change this phone color. I will just change the color. And I will also add 1 camera. Since this camera is 2, I will add 1 so that it will be 3. It is business time, no time to play.
So I'm looking for iPhone with 2 cameras.
iPhone?
A white one.
White one?
Yes. 2 cameras.
The one I have just finished 3 days ago. But I have this one that I just got yesterday from Addis Ababa. 3 cameras, gold color. Check it.
Okay.
Bad one,
How much?
This one, just give me 7.3.
7.3.
7.3.
7.3.
7.3.
Do you take transfer?
I take anything, my brother.
Confirm it.
My brother,
Nice doing business.
in case you want another one, I can still give you by tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I'm serious.
No problem.
So what is that?
Cloning. You know it is cloning. You know that people are strange these days. They can clone. Even you like this now, they can clone you and you will see yourself in another person. That is cloning. I'm not the one.
Why are you not carrying a bag?
When I import, sometimes I used to carry around my sample. Now, not.
Young man, you go to her. You are even here, you are not sincere, you go to her.
Hell! Hey! I never reach like that now. Let me be that. Let us settle amicably.
Okay, this is you now, right?
It is me. I'm the one.
You are going to her.
I should go to her.
Yes.
Let us settle this thing amicably. I'm the one, you know. That is me.
Now you are the one.
I'm the one.
Agidigba. You will still go to her.
Now, wow. Let us settle this thing amicably now. You know I cannot go there. That place is not good for me.
For you to be selling stolen goods and buying stolen goods is a sin. You go to her.
Wow. We can settle amicably.
Young man, go to her.
We can settle amicably. I don't.
Come to her. They say I can settle amicably. Thunder kill you. And you need to be aggressive. You understand? Most of these places, they are maybe they are not all right.
What is that one maybe?
They are not all right. Okay. You understand me now? Especially this one. He's kind. They touch them.
Okay.
You understand? Thank you. Nice doing business with you.
Next.
Now I have this imported shirt, white angelic attire.
Agediba,
In case.
you are supposed to be in here. How did you
I
come
know.
out?
I just imported this one. Nah.
How did you come out of here?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for now. What matters is that I have this imported shirt for you. You know that this one is the only one you have. And sometimes it can be dirty and all this your boys will not be around to help you wash it. You can just wear this one. Just give me 350 and collect this one. Nah. Sharp. Just 350.
How did you even get this?
I imported it. I told you I import goods and services. Just 350 and I will...
Are you not sure you have stolen from the...
You don't want to buy. I have other customers that are waiting for me. You are going to say, you are not even serious,
Come on, hey! Come here. That gate is closed. You go back to hell again.
That gate is closed.
You go back to hell.
Nah, then buy this thing from me. Now I cannot go back to hell.
What?
I'm naked, I'm naked. They don't naked me.
Who naked you?
I don't know. I want to know. I want to know. I know now come meet you. You know the problem now. I say, I just wash my cloth. I just wash my cloth. And I say, make a shower. I just bath finish. Come. They find my cloth. I not see. Nobody agree say they take my cloth. Look at me, I'm naked.
How did this person escape here?
How you take come out? Be listening when I go back. How you take come out? Who give you cloth?
I just import this one. No. They can't deliver them for me. So I say make a come sell and give.
Are you not sure this is your garment? Now they turn to white.
Hey, don't dial and white. You don't dial and white. You dye my cloth white.
Hey.
Jesus, have mercy on me. Have mercy. Somebody will die.
Hey.
Ebole madu, Jesus.
What is Egbole man?
I don't keep person.
Hey.
You dye my cloth white.
I'm not dial and white.
You dye my cloth white.
I'm not dial and white.
You dye my cloth white. You get dye.
To do what?
I want dye and black back.
Me too, dye and white, me dye and black.
You go get black dye.
You meet him now.
Yeah, they ask you a question. They say you meet him now.
When he stole the cloth, was that day?
Man, don't go where and they mistake me for you, so I get soft mind. Now make.
Next!
So you don't underlook me now, you don't underrate me, and I not fit talk to you, isn't it?
Young man, do you know the profile?
Now they call me young man because I not wear clothes.
Okay,
They call me young man.
Devil, listen. Do you know the profile of the person who came to hell? He stole from people and said to same people.
You know, he the concept to he said to me. He said to me, all this is what I do, God go judge you now. The God that I serve, the God that does not sleep nor slumber. I know if you go inside there like this, they go see me finish. They go see me finish. They know I know they eat well. They go just know once. I beg. I use God beg you. Do for me what no man can do for me.
Before you get to hell, it will turn black.
Amen.
Go.
Thank you. I love you with the love
Hey! Go. Go!
I can't show appreciation.
No, go. Don't appreciate me. Go.
Man, no appreciate you.
No, go.
You feel like they hate good thing. You they hate better thing. Thank you anyway. Hey. Thank you.
Next!